things, but this is the awesomest. What's that steel in the sky? Steel awesome!
What about my project?
Don't worry. Back soon. Boom! I guess I should bring Toot's project back to her. In a minute, yeah! Let's see. What would Steel do right now?
Help! Somebody please help!
He'd help. That's what he'd do.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
There's a pothole and I can't get through! This is the worst thing that has ever happened to anyone! Is that still awesome?
Grappling hook, go!
Is that your anti-gravity beam? It is! Steel Awesome is lifting me with his anti-gravity beam! Woohoo! This is the best thing that has ever happened to... Oh, it's over. Thank you, Steel Awesome!